Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with a quick short watch review video. This is a Olev's Submariner, Rolex Submariner homage watch. Um, it is really good quality. It's a great watch. The bezel rotates, everything works great. It's got a metal bracelet with the silver on the outside and the gold in the center. You wouldn't believe how inexpensive this watch was, and it actually looks, from a distance, it'll actually look like you're wearing a Rolex Submariner. I know there's a lot of other homage watches out there that are supposed to represent the Rolex Submariner, but this one's a really, really nice one. I really like it, and it's very, very inexpensive. You wouldn't even believe how much I paid for it. This watch right here was $36 on Amazon. $36, guys. You can't beat that.